Welcome everyone. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook page using your mobile phone. Now, I found out the easiest way to go about this is to download the Meta Business Suite app that you see here. Once you've downloaded that app, you want to log in, and you could log in with your Facebook credentials. Once you've logged in, you will see your business page right here. And what you'll be looking for at this point are the three bars where it says more at the bottom right here on the iPhone. It could be different on your phone. All you're looking for is more. Once you select more, you are looking for settings. You want to look for settings, and then once you select settings, this is where you could make that change. You can scroll all the way down here and go to your Instagram connection. If you're already connected, you will see that it's connected here. If it's not, you can make your connection by simply clicking that, and it's going to ask you to connect over here, and you could log in with your Instagram username and password. Now I'm going to go back here, and then as you can see here, I am still connected, but again, I could disconnect it and reconnect it right here. And I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.